Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and add another batch here. We have the printout from the MS, the Merchant Services batch for the credit card. Again, we're in Parasoft, offering, batches, add batch. We're going to look at the date of this. This happens to be 2018-10-02_MS. I'm looking at all the different fund names that are on this report. They're kind of all over the place, so I'm just going to put Sunday envelopes, and that's Birdie in the background. Bank account will be bank account 1. Date opened will carry through to the dates over here. So 10/2. We're going to copy that and put it also on deposit date over here. Cash total. We're taking the net cash total, sort of on the top of the report. In this case, it's 539.95. And the type of batch is a detailed posting. That's it. We add the batch. I'm going to close that. Now, we're going to go ahead and do the posting on this. So I'm going to go to posting, detailed posting. And you can see all the information from the last transaction I did is still populated. So we have to change that. We're going to start with the batch right here. And we are going to change it to the next MS batch, the one we just created, 10/2. We have to change the date because it does not automatically change. And we are going to start plowing through the list on the post. The first name on the list is Speha, S-P-E-H-A. There she is, Annette Speha. On this report, I'm looking at the paper copy, and she gave $60 in general operating. So I'm going to put $60 down here. I have to pick the fund up here. General operating is Sunday envelopes. Okay. So you will see Sunday envelopes and general operating are synonymous. That's it. Sunday envelopes. Got the right date. Got the right batch. Got the right person. Save. You can see it automatically debited the balance of what's left on this batch up here. And I move to the next person. So the next person is Peters. First name Anthony. And the first donation he made was $50 towards the Chisago Lakes Clergy Association, or CLACA. I type in CLACA, there it is. Same date, same deal, right person, right amount, to the right account, save. The next posting, same person, Peters. Anthony Peters. And general operating, he gave $400 to general operating. So general operating again is Sunday Holy Day envelopes. So Sunday envelopes, Peters, $400 for this date in this batch. Save. You can see I'm down to $29 in my posting. The third and final, actually the fourth and final donation was same person, Peters, Anthony. This time he gave $50. And he gave it to the Building Maintenance Fund. Building Maintenance Fund. Peters, $50, Building Maintenance Fund. Save. Now, we're all done. We got our donations in. However, you can see there's a $20.05 delta. That's for all the credit card fees, the 3%, and all the other transactional fees. We have to fix that. So we are going to select the fund of Vanco fees. We are going to post to cash miscellaneous and put in a negative dollar posting, negative 20.05. Verify that on the sheet. That $20.05 are your fee structures, and save. Done. That posting is completely finished.